What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. This is supposed to be a private video in my Discord group where we have a conversation, but I think I should just ask this as a general question. It is as simple as, what is the end goal? What are we trying to achieve? For the fact that we're trying to actually become a better version of ourselves, we're trying to do what we are doing better, we're trying to improve, we're trying to get better as a human, as a fashion designer, as an entrepreneur, as whatsoever. But the question is, what exactly is the end goal? What are we pursuing? What exactly do you want? It's a bigger question that we hardly actually ask ourselves. I met my mentor at the age of 24, somebody that actually helped me to structure my life and help me to just understand some basic things. And most often, these things are not as difficult as we think. Okay, he gave me an analogy that I'm going to explain to you guys. He said, Sukomi, if you see a bricklayer laying a foundation for your house and you walk up to him what are you trying to build here? What are you doing? He's going to tell you, oh, we are going to build a mansion, that's why we are laying the foundation like this. Or he's going to tell you, we are trying to build a bungalow or a single apartment or a shop or this or that. They're going to give you the definition of exactly what they are trying to structure on the foundation that they are building. Now, imagine that you walk up to a bricklayer laying the foundation and you ask, what are you trying to build here? And he or she just say that, I don't know. We're just laying the foundation. The foundation you're going to construct for a mansion is going to be different to a foundation you're going to construct for a bungalow. Which simply means there is a possibility that you can know the ending from the beginning. If you understand that simple phrase, there is a possibility that you can actually predict the ending from the beginning. Which simply means if you want your life to be like this, you can actually structure it and lay a foundation that can carry the weight of the life in which you want to build. This has been something that constantly torments me. What am I trying to do? What the fuck do I want with life in general? And I'm just constantly thinking about it and thinking about it and thinking about it all day long. And this actually have gotten me to have an understanding about life in general. Life is not something that just happen. Life require intention. You see, there's so many of us, including me, we fall in love, right? We fall in love hoping and wishing the other person wish exactly the same thing we wish. And at the end of the day, you're going to realize that, no, this person just wants to chop and clean out. Which require, life wouldn't have been as difficult as it is if from the beginning the intention is made known. Do you understand? Getting into a relationship, getting into a business, if this business that you are getting into is basically for you to make $1 million, it is easier to navigate the business rather than not knowing the end goal that you're trying to pursue. In relationship, if you make it known to the other party, I'm into this relationship to chop and clean mouth, it is easier to navigate the relationship, and when the thing is done, both of you can walk away knowing that there's no cheating. There was an agreement in the beginning of the relationship. And if the intention is made known in the early stage of the relationship that I'm going to make you my wife, or I want an husband. So if I'm okay with the fact that I want to marry you, it's going to be as easy as ABC, right? Having an intention in the beginning of everything that you do is going to actually make life easy for you. So I want to ask you the question again, and I need you to reply me under the comment section. Reply as much as you can. Give me a solid response to what exactly do you want? Why are you doing this? Why are you learning all these things that you are learning? What exactly do you want? What is the goal? What are you trying to achieve at the end of the day? Is it money? If it's money, so far you can clear the path and you know that all you want is money, you'll be able to pursue the exact thing you want. If all you want is fame, there is a different way in which you can actually go for that. And if you can accept and understand that This is what I want. I only want fame. It is easier to actually navigate life aiming for fame rather than aiming for a lot of things at the same time. And it is true, you can have both at the same time. You can have money, you can have fame, you can have good relationship, you can have a beautiful wife that have something upstairs at the same time. You can have everything. There's no doubt to that. But if your intention is made known from the beginning, it will be easier to actually navigate through life, knowing that this is what I want and this is how I want it to be. This is just a general question. I'm going to post this in my discourse group and in my Discord. Discord. If I want to say Discord, it's always crazy. I'll post this in my Discord group and I'm going to post it in my on my YouTube channel generally so that we can talk about this. What exactly do you want? As for me, I already make it known to myself. This is where I'm going to. This is what I want. This is how I'm going to do it. And you have to understand that days always make week. Week always make month. Month make a year. And everything you do in a day, every day, gradually by day, will actually become a week. And the week is going to become a month. And the month is going to become a year. And 10 years will make a decade. And if you understand that this is the route I want to follow, the same thing that will take you to 1 million naira in a month or $1 million in a year is going to happen every day by day. That's just how I want to talk about this. On my next video, which is coming very, very soon, I'm going to make a video on how to structure your daily, how to plan your day, which will in turn give you a return to your month, which in turn will apply to what you're going to make in a year, 2 years, 5 years. I don't actually plan for 5 years ahead of time. I'm not that much of a, but I plan my days. I know that if I do this thing in one day, the second day is going to like what I do yesterday will always affect my today. I understand that like a glass, like a mirror. Whatever I do today will actually matters tomorrow, and so all my days are structured. So in my next video I'm going to structure, and here I have a whiteboard. I want to turn this camera like this so you can see that I do have a board right here. You can see I have a whiteboard here. So it's going to be like a class. It's going to be more of like a class. It's going to be more of like a class. We are going to like do this. So that's the question I want to ask. What exactly is the end goal? What are you trying to achieve? So ask yourself, drop your response in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Do have a beautiful rest of the day. Peace. Bye-bye. I'll see you.